Wondershare DemoCreator is an amazing screen recorder and a powerful video editor with which you can very easily record your screen and can quickly edit your footage in just this one software. Even this video is also created with it. Its recording features are very easy to use, where you can easily choose the recording area, set the resolution, mic levels, and can even record from your webcam, which is perfect for recording your tutorials, courses, and gameplays. Once your video is captured, you can also easily edit them with its built-in video editor, which provides amazing features like zooming clips, adding animated stickers with captions, and can even replace your green screen background with something cool like this. So check out the Wondershare DemoCreator from the free download link in the video description. What's up everybody, Milind over here, and these are the AI Translator Earbuds. The naming is WT2 Plus AI Translator Earbuds from Timekettle. Basically, these are the innovative earbuds, and considering it out as per the CES 2019, they have actually awarded it as the most innovative gadget of the year. Considering this fact, I just thought why not to test it out onto the channel, as it is really kind of a very cool thing, considering if we are traveling to a foreign country or if we are getting interact with someone which is actually speaking to us in a foreign language or a different language which we are not familiar with, then these earbuds can be used very easily to actually get that conversation to be done properly, to be understood properly. Starting with some of the amazing things that this earbuds actually offers. First of all, they get opened just like this. As you are able to see, there are two pieces of the earbuds, one for the person who is actually speaking the language and another for who is actually understanding it. This earbuds actually supports more than 36 languages, 36 or 40 languages with over 84 different accents from all over the globe. Not just this thing, the conversation time is very quick, almost 1 to 3 seconds at maximum, simultaneous translation without any kind of gap. And the most amazing thing is that they are 85 to 95% accurate in terms of doing their conversations. Also, these earbuds actually last for around 4 to 5 hours on a single charge and can be recharged at least 3 times with this charging case. Okay, now most importantly, in order to use this earbud, we need to download an application which is from the Timekettle, the WT2 Plus, or they're actually having a new application from the Timekettle name itself. And basically, after installing that app in our iPhone or our Android device, it offers 3 different modes. One is the simul mode, another is the touch mode, and the third one is the speaker mode. Talking quickly about the simul mode, it is a mode with the help of which we don't need to even touch the earbuds, and whenever we are speaking with someone, it can directly receive the audio from one language and can convert it to the another language which we have set from over here. But basically, sometimes if that just don't work for you guys, then there is a one easy mode as well, that is the touch mode. In this thing, we just simply need to touch the earbuds whenever a person is speaking, and basically it will just record that thing and just translate it. The third mode is the speaker mode, which basically allows you to use your iPhone or your Android device directly in order to translate what you are saying with the help of the earbuds. So in this thing, you don't need 2 pairs of the earbuds, you just need 1 pair of the earbud, and you can actually hear that translation on your iPhone and Android device. Few things I personally liked about this thing is that the green color LED actually glows in this earbud. Sometimes it's a kind of a pretty bright, but I wonder they may have make it a little bit of less bright. Also, there is a micro USB port onto this charging case in order to charge your earbuds, and basically when you put on the earbuds inside this to charge, they actually start blinking in a white color LED. Also, the logo at the top of this case started blinking in the white color. Once the charging is done, it stopped blinking. I personally found this as really a helpful earbud, especially the translation is pretty good, pretty fast, as well as accurate, as it can even take up to a long length of translations. Just the only thing was that, as a positive feedback while after using this thing, if there may have been an option like we can also hear the music with the help of this earbuds, it would have really been a cool thing. But considering it out, the practical fact that they are made for the translations, so they are really doing their great job in terms of translating the conversations, and basically they're really accurate, really amazing translator. At least I found them as really one of the best translator yet, and pretty fast as well. So guys, this was a quick review of this innovative gadget. This is really kind of a handy thing, especially whenever we are going to get travel. Apart from this, thank you so very much guys for checking out this video, and basically the iPhone 12 trailer is coming next week after this video, so stay tuned for that thing. With this, signing off, this is Milind from Enoylity Technology. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, peace out.